In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Grok error calling moderation service. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So first fix is to force close Grok app and reopen. So basically, go ahead and if Grok's open, just go ahead and force close it by clicking on the three dots here. I'm on a Samsung, close all. Now if you're on an iPhone, just swipe up and swipe away. Now next fix is to switch your internet connection. So this one does work a lot. So that error often happens when Grok can't reach its moderation service properly. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and vice versa. Even restart your router if on Wi-Fi. And another trick what we can try is turn flight mode or airplane mode on for at least 10 seconds and then turn it back off again and retry. Now if we got any VPNs, private DNSs, ad blockers running in the background, guess what? You want to go ahead and disable them. So basically if you use any of these, Grok may fail to connect. Now next fix is to clear Grok app cache. So click and hold down the app, click onto I, scroll down, click into storage, click onto clear cache. Now there's a couple more fixes we can try. So the next fix is to go to your Player App Store, do a search for Grok, hit enter. Now open up Grok. If it says update, go ahead and update the application. If it still doesn't work, go ahead and uninstall Grok. So click and hold down Grok, uninstall, reinstall it from your Player App Store, restart your phone. Now the last fix is to try using Grok on another device. So if you've got another phone, your missus, your friend's phone, just try and see if Grok is working on their phone in your account. If it is, that means there's something related on your phone why Grok isn't working and you might need to do a deeper dive.